Alright, you guys have been asking for more truck content, so here we go. We're going to take those NRG seats from the last video, we're going to set them in the bed of the truck, head over to the garage, test fit the seats in the Mazda, see how they look, and I'm going to pick up the old MAF sensor for the truck because ever since I switched that, I've been having issues with the tuning. So I'm hoping, since that's the only thing that I've changed, I'm hoping it's just the MAF sensor I got might not be any good. But first, the ultimate cold start, and then I gotta brush the truck off, and then we'll hit the road. That first. That was the most awkward thing in the world to carry. Just because it's so fucking big and heavy, that's what she said. Alright. Now all that's left is to try to get out of the driveway. For anybody who's new to the channel, this is a 2000 GMC Sierra 5.3 two-wheel drive. And right now it's on mild summer performance tires. So the odds of me actually getting out of this are pretty slim, but I believe in the old girl. And in the spirit of living dangerously, this is the windshield right now. So this should be fun. That really wasn't too bad of a drive, actually. I'll get that shit in a second. Duke? Duke? There he is. Hey, puppy. Oh god. Oh, got on my wrist, god damn it. Snow fucking sucks. Why do I live in Michigan? I'm gonna move down to like Georgia or something. God damn it. Why do I do this to myself? Here's the old seat. Get this out. Now you guys can see the pole that I was talking about. It was right there. That bright orange triangle thing is it's the transmission. And 9 times out of 10, you don't really want to see the transmission from the inside of the car. Hopefully you guys can see. If not, I'll get you in a second. There. Now you guys can see the seat actually in the car. It's a whole lot lower. It fits damn near perfect. I might have to mess with the inside mount on the back there, but aside from that, this thing's gonna be sweet. Does it clear the door? Just barely clears the door. Let's look at it from the other side. Oh yeah, that's gonna be so fucking nice. I cannot wait. But that'll be for another day because I can't get into the garage right now because there's a plow truck in the garage.